Hey, it's your girl Janae back with another video. Excuse my plaits, y'all. Might be going up tonight. So yeah, gotta have my hair prepared.
But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shoe with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe. She wants Shanae and D-Yo-Yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the fofo. Inside Coco.
Today I am going to be showing you guys a DIY dark spot remover, all organic. My skin has been doing a lot better lately. So I don't, if you can see, I don't have too many dark spots, but this is my problem area for sure. So I'm definitely working on those spots today. And I'm gonna show you guys the results over time. So I'm gonna do this for a week, but if I see results sooner, you guys will see that. But yeah, here we go. I'm gonna get into the video.
I got these recipes online and watching other YouTubers, so I'm just gonna kind of mix all the ingredients together. I've never done this before, so this is definitely trial and error, and you guys will see the results.
So like I just showed you guys, I have a bowl, a spoon, a knife for the lemon, baking soda, castor oil. All of my ingredients are organic. Honey, turmeric, apple cider vinegar. Now this does stink, so beware.
I'm going to take a spoonful of each ingredient, and then I'll mix it together. So here we go.
Okay, just went everywhere. Still on. Smells spicy. I ain't never used turmeric before. It smells spicy. Get those out before I add the liquids in here. And then I'm also gonna mix this together. So just like I did with the turmeric and baking soda, I'm using a spoonful of each ingredient, and for these liquids I'm kind of letting them run over the spoon, the plastic spoon, just because plastic spoons are a little bit smaller than tablespoons and they're supposed to be tablespoonfuls. So that's all you see me doing here. With the lemon, you don't need to use like a whole half or anything. Just a small slice like that will work, but you definitely want to make sure you squeeze every ounce of that juice out, okay? Squeeze it all, get it all of it. And now you just see me mixing all of the ingredients together. You want to make sure there aren't any clumps. You want to make sure you don't see any differences in the ingredients. You just want to see a nice smooth blend just like that, okay? So now that I've made my concoction, you can see it. I am about to start putting it on my face.
Like I said before, this is my first time trying this, so
we finna see how this goes. I already have all my hands, but I need to put my hair back. Great.
And I'm gonna rub it in. One of the YouTubers that I watched explained how the baking soda is more of an exfoliator. So I am going to...
Y'all, if this stain...
if this stain my face to this color, I swear, I'm gonna be so pissed. Ugh. I take that back. This does not smell the best. And I did do this before washing my face, like I just woke up. There we go. And I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes, but that's it. Cause I'm scared I'm about to turn orange. Turmeric is one of the main ingredients I saw used the most often for dark spot removing. But also, I saw apple cider vinegar for dark spot removing and the tightening of the skin. I saw honey just being great for the acne. Really focusing on the problem spot. It's been about 5 minutes now. 4.5 actually.
I look like an orange.
And I still have some left. So I think I'm gonna just use the rest of that tomorrow. Yeah. And I'm gonna try putting this on my ears because just a little on my earlobe because I am allergic to metal. So sometimes when I leave my jewelry on for too long, it just doesn't help my ears. It turns them a little black, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna hit those two, see if this works. Great! Alright, so I'm officially at 5 minutes and 30 seconds. And I'm just going to let this sit for another 5 minutes. While I do that, I'm gonna rinse my hands off. And by the way, when I come back, my face will be rinsed off. I'm just gonna rinse it off with cool water, and if I have to wash this off, I'm going to use my Dove soap. It is the dark blue pack, no scent or unscented or whatever. And yeah, I'll be back.
So I just washed my hands and it didn't take much, like it rinsed right off, so I'm not worried about my face being orange anymore. I have
a couple more minutes left. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator just because they are foods, so use this for the rest of the week. And you guys will see the results soon. So now that my face is this way. So this is post washing of the face. My face is nice and clean. I am going to put my oil on. Typically I use typically I use Cetaphil, whatever it's called. But lately I've been using coconut oil, and I hit my dark spots with tea tree oil. So that's what I'm going to use since I did this organic face mask, and yeah, that's what I did. It is organic coconut oil, so you have to melt it down in your hand first, but then you can rub it on. Not only is coconut oil just good for our skin, but it also encourages hair growth, so I don't want my eyelashes and eyebrows to get thicker, so that's why I use it on my face. And then the tea tree oil, I really don't know. Let me not lie, like I really don't know if that helps, but I just like to put on my dark spots. It makes me feel better.
But that is it, y'all. Skin glowing. Yes, sir. Yeah. Day 1.
You guys will see the results in another video. See ya.
And guys, I almost always forget to say this, but please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my page. Just comment below more videos you guys want me, or more mask or anything you guys want me to try. I will be your guinea pig and you guys can see my results. just stay tuned. But like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.
But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want the shoe with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top, babe. She wants your name and D-Yo-Yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco.